Hello everyone. Today let's study about vitamin A. So, we have already discussed in our previous video that vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin and it is present only in foods of animal origin. Also, vitamin A provitamin, that is beta carotene, are found in plants having two retinols joined into end. Beta carotene is the most abundant form of vitamin A, found in ripe mango, carrot, etc. Now, three biologically active forms, that is also known as vitamins of vitamin A, as we have also discussed this, that is the vitamins of vitamin A are retinol having OH group, retinol having aldehyde group, and retinoic acid having carboxylic acid group. So retinol has role in reproduction, retinol has role in vision, and retinoic acid has role in cell growth and differentiation. The main form is retinol and it can be converted to other forms also. All three forms are known as retinoid compounds obtained from animal sources, that is eggs, fish, liver, milk and cheese, as retinol ester. Let's see previous year question, that is most abundant form of provitamin A is, so it is beta carotene, which is found in plants. Now let's discuss about absorption of vitamin A. So vitamin A is obtained from diet, either by animal or plant source, and it is absorbed in intestine in the form of retinol via chylomicrons or lymphatics. It will reach liver, and in the liver vitamin A can be stored as retinol esters in the perisinusoidal cells, also known as ITO cells, as 1 year supply. And when it is required, it should be released into blood so that it can reach the target site. Now, when it's released into circulation, then it is released in the form of retinol, but retinol is a fat soluble, so it cannot be present free in the circulation. So when it is released, it is joined to a protein known as RBP, that is retinol binding protein, which is a low molecular weight protein synthesized in liver, and in the liver it is present as retinol RBP complex. Now, due to low molecular weight of RBP, it has a tendency to be excreted out of the body via kidney, and body doesn't want to allow that. So, for this in circulation, it is further attached to a transport protein, that is transthyretin. So, in circulation, finally, it makes a ternary complex known as retinol RBP transthyretin for the transport of retinol. And zinc here plays an important role in retinol mobilization. The older name of transthyretin is prealbumin. Trans means to transport protein, thi means thyroxine, and retin means retinol binding protein. So transthyretin helps in transport of RBP and thyroxine. Now let's see again previous year question, that is vitamin A is stored in A. Kupffer cells, B. hepatocytes, C. ITO cells, D. endothelial cells of liver. We have already studied now that vitamin A is stored in ITO cells of liver. So answer is ITO cells. Now let's see about rods and cones. So rods are in the periphery and cones are in the center of the retina. Rods are involved in dim light vision, whereas cones are responsible for bright light and color vision. Owls and cats generally have night vision, and it poses mostly rods. Now let's see about the role of vitamin A in vision. We have already discussed that the aldehyde form of vitamin A, that is retinol, is involved in vision. So here 11-cis retinol form of vitamin A is involved, and it joins with a protein known as opsin in dark, and rhodopsin is produced, which is a protein responsible for night vision, also called vision in dim light. And when bright light comes on rhodopsin, it becomes non-functional and it breaks down into opsin and all trans-retinol. And again, all trans-retinol will be converted into 11-cis retinol form, which makes a cycle known as Waltz visual cycle. So talking about rhodopsin, it is a protein responsible for night vision. In bright light, it gets bleached and becomes non-functional. And from moving from bright light to dark, rhodopsin gets resynthesized. And this time taken for rhodopsin resynthesis is called as dark adaptation time. And this time is increased in vitamin A deficiency. Other uses of vitamin A are: it is antioxidant, photoprotective, maintenance of stability of lysosomes, glycoprotein synthesis, maintenance of epithelium. Therapeutically, high doses of 13-cis retinoic acid are used for treatment of severe cystic acne. Retinoic acid is teratogenic, that is, it disturbs the growth and development of fetus. So, used only when pregnancy test is negative. Let's see about deficiency of vitamin A. The earliest sign is loss of sensitivity to green light. Earliest symptom and also manifestation is night blindness, and the most specific manifestation is Bitot spots. So what is Bitot spot? It is a foamy appearance in the conjunctiva due to superficial deposition of keratin in conjunctiva. And another one is follicular hyperkeratosis. It is the dry, scaly or toad-like skin present at the elbow or knees, and due to non-maintenance of epithelium, as vitamin A has role in skin epithelium maintenance, and also occurs in essential fatty acid deficiency. So, bitter spot is a foamy appearance in conjunctiva due to superficial deposition of keratin in conjunctiva. And the follicular hyperkeratosis is the dry, scaly or toad-like skin present at the elbow or knees due to non-maintenance of epithelium, as vitamin has role in skin epithelium maintenance, and it also occurs in essential fatty acid deficiency. Other clinical features are xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, immunosuppression, skin ulceration, corneal ulceration, scarring, atrophy of urinary and respiratory tract epithelium leading to infection, and vitamin A deficiency is the most common cause of preventable blindness. Let's see about vitamin A toxicity. The most affected organelle is the lysosomes. As vitamin A is stored in liver, so it occurs in people who consume bear's liver. The clinical features are raised intracranial tension resembling brain tumor known as pseudotumor cerebri, hepatomegaly, liver damage, hyperlipidemia, blurred vision, alopecia, and dry pruritic skin. Now, what is carotenemia? It occurs due to excess intake of beta carotene, and in this case there is yellow staining of skin but not sclera. In hyperbilirubinemia, jaundice, there is yellow staining of skin and also sclera. Now let's see clinical question, that is, a 3-year-old child showing growth failure, chronic cough, and bronchitis. The child develops chronic diarrhea with light colored, foul smelling stools. Treatment with which of the following vitamins should be considered? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B1. D. Vitamin B2. So the answer is A, that is vitamin A. Since the symptoms indicate respiratory and intestinal diseases, in intestinal disorder such as chronic diarrhea or malabsorption is due to deficient digestive enzymes, and also fat soluble vitamins are poorly absorbed and can become deficient. So supplementation of fat soluble vitamin, that is ADEK, should be administered intramuscularly or as oral emulsions, that is mixture of oil and water, and other listed vitamin can be administered orally and rapidly absorbed from intestine. So here are few probable questions from an Nmcle book, and number 1 is hypervitaminosis A induces damage to option A, rough endoplasmic reticulum, B, mitochondria, C, microtubule, and D, lysosome. So the correct answer is D, that is lysosome. And the richest source of cholesterol, option A, cheese, option B, egg, option C, rice, and option D, oil. So the answer here is B, that is egg, which contain vitamin A. Since cholesterol synthesis require vitamin A, so answer will be egg. So here we finished about the topic of vitamin A. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, study hard and like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.